Alrighty, David, here's your small block Ford, 427 cubic inches. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Edelbrock air gap, quick fuel carburetor, got a custom grind hydraulic roller, got a rear sump oil pan, got the blacked out front end kit on it for you. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3500s, 506 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 532, peak horsepower 505, rated 520, so front end's about 20, so everything's good. This makes lots of torque, that's what this combination's about. So we'll pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean for you, and show you one other thing. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you know how this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. It's got your engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of other tech tips in there, so highly recommend plug it in, watch it. On the engine will be this card here. It'll have your engine number. That's a pretty important number to remember always. If you need anything from us, that's the easiest way for us to look you up. And on the flip side, it has got this URL code. So there again, you click on that, takes you to our site of tech tips. Highly recommend look at all those. A lot of good information there. So watch everything. It'll help you. And have a great day.